Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. If you are not subscribed and watching now, please subscribe and support us. Today I am going to show you the outskirts of Madurai, the village called Kulamangalam. We are riding to Kulamangalam. This is the photo shoot from 70 my dashcam. A800S is the model name. You can view the greeneries on both the sides. There are a lot of tall trees you are seeing. You can see a lake too. Enjoy the video and share your comments. Thank you. Hi friends, hope you are watching very well. You can view very good. The right side is the lake. In the left side is the great greenery. See the goats. See the electrical posts too.